What's up, guys? So I was supposed to leave Vientiane a while ago, but they have been, apparently there's a Dragon Boat race that's coming to town, and all weekend they've been setting up vendors and just partying all weekend. Today is Sunday now. I can hear the music from my hotel, but I'm gonna come down, walk down, check it out, show you guys what it's looking like. But right now, like I said, all weekend they've been setting up shop, blaring music like crazy, and just going hard, leading up to the Dragon Boat race tomorrow, the 10th and the 11th. But let me show you what the street's looking like. So this main road right here that I'm standing on, it's not like this. Usually it's not like this. But they set up this main road and they blocked it all off, and they just got it set up like festival style, you know what I mean? Bunch of vendors, music, this and that. It's about 5 o'clock right now, but it gets a little bit more crazier. To my left here is the night market, and they had set up a food court in there, and like some stages for like singing and concerts, this and that. Pretty wild. It's actually a pretty good time to be in Vientiane this past weekend, because the city is live. The city is very energetic. There's a lot of energy in the city this weekend leading up to the boat race tomorrow. I think, from what I heard too, is that the boat race was on hold for 2 years because of COVID. So I think this is the first one that they're doing post-COVID. This is the first boat race they're doing post-COVID. So I'll show you some of that tomorrow and Tuesday as well. From what I hear is that on Monday, it's like the slow boats. I mean, the small boats. They race the small boats, and then on Tuesday they race the big boats. You know what? I'll even walk up to the Mekong River to show you guys what it's looking like where they'll be racing and whatnot. But yeah, as I said, all this stuff right here on this main road was not here before. And this is a main road, like I said, but they got it all set up to just festival style, you know what I mean? They got all kind of stuff. They got shoes, selling, I don't know, everything. Clothes. And not only just this street, literally like little side streets like this too. Streets like this. There's a couple more streets down that way, where local restaurants, local hotels have their selling stuff, food, things like that. Yeah, see what I'm saying right here? Little side streets like this, they're all selling stuff too. It's lit out here.
จังไรลูกค้าเจออากาศร้อนบวันนี้ถามว่าลูกค้าท่านในที่ว่าเจออากาศร้อนอย่าลืมเนาะถ้าบูธเท่านี้เอามาให้ลูกค้าหรือว่าตั้งบูธไว้ให้ลูกค้าในลองมาซื้อลองมาเบิ่งได้นะว่าสินค้าในบูธเท่านี้มีอย่างไร
At nighttime, see they got a stage set up here. At nighttime, they must have some concerts going on. They got the carnival that you guys seen in my previous video. They got the carnival set up over here. Let me see, let's go. Oh, there's a nice sunset going on right now. Look at this, nice sunset over the Mekong. Right over there is Thailand, right over the river, right over the Mekong River. Looks like they got another stage right there, if you can see. What I'm really curious about though is where they're gonna race the boats. Because as you can see in front of me, there's a lot of vegetation. There's a lot of vegetation. So, oh, they must be racing right here. Okay, I see buoys and stuff. Yeah, this must be it right here. Oh look, yeah, and they got an excavator. It looks like they're clearing the path to be racing. Yeah, this looks like it. So yeah, I'm assuming they're gonna be racing along this little sliver of river right here. Probably not sure where they're starting, but maybe from there, racing down here, all the way down. I wonder what that is back there. Not really sure, but it's pretty cool. Figure I'd stick around Vientiane a little while just to show you guys a dragon boat race, because we do the dragon boat race back home too, but it's different to be in the homeland, the motherland, and seeing it here in Laos. Oh, it's a beautiful sunset today. So yeah, I just asked the gentleman where they're gonna be starting the race. Behind me here, this is where the race ends. So they're gonna be starting way down there. This whole area right here is gonna be packed with people. He said it's gonna be all packed with people. Right behind me here, where these white chairs are, he told me that this is where the government officials will be sitting, high-ranking officials, to come and watch the race. Which makes sense because the race ends right here. But yeah, he told me all the way down there they're gonna start. All the way down there. I don't know if you can see. See my finger? All the way over there. That's where they're gonna start. But like I said, I think this is the first year that they started the races back up again because of COVID. Yeah, I'm excited to see it actually. Excited to see this the dragon boat race. See what it's all about. It's gonna be crazy. I'm not sure what time it starts at, but I'll ask some locals what time I should come. I'm assuming I'll probably have to come super early to find a seat, but we'll see. I'll go down to the night market later on when it gets a little darker. Show you guys what the vibes are like over there at nighttime. See how wild the Lao people get and party. But I'll check in with you guys later on tonight.
ได้ตัวใดเอาตัวนั้นเนาะได้ตัวใดเอาตัวนั้น
ส
So it has been a crazy weekend all weekend, guys. Usually this here right behind me is not like this, because they got the Dragon Boat race coming on the 10th, October 10th, this Monday. They got the whole street blocked off, set up. Look at this. Say hi, say hi. They're partying right now, getting ready for whiskey, whiskey. Nah, but anyways, they're getting ready for Monday. They're partying all weekend till the boat race. I just want to show you guys what it's about. We haven't even gone inside yet. We're outside, it's already crazy. The streets are littered. People everywhere. The energy is crazy. Music and everything. It's so loud. Music, everything, everywhere. Alright, let's go inside and check it out. Guys, so we're inside the night market now. And even this wasn't set up here before. They set up like a whole food court. Looks like there's a stage back there. It's wild. It is packed. Right there, behind there is the actual like night market. But yeah, it looks like they set up a little food court. Got a stage. Let's see, I'm gonna keep on walking down. Beer towers. Look, he said, put your glasses up. Put your glasses up. Hey, hey. Right here, my boys right here. Make money lit. Make money lit right here. Come on. Tôi teenอีกเนาะเต้นอีกเรื่องเข้ากันเลยครับไม่ต้องขึ้นมาจบ YouTube อ่ะ YouTube อ่ะเชียร์กูจะใช้ YouTube กูจะใช้ YouTube ไหม Hey hey make money lit I like that make money lit ชื่อเจ้าชื่อทักชื่อเด็กนิกกี้ชื่ออาจีชื่อเจ้าไปฟิลิปทำเป็นสาระเด้อโอเคเลยกินแซ่บเด้อ See, I bring the party, you feel me? People dancing up here. down to the Mekong River now. It's about 3 o'clock. I heard the races started at 2. But I just woke up from a super long nap. Hopefully they're still racing the boats. But the dangerous part about going down to the Mekong right now is that I have to cut through the night market. And every time I walk through here, I always end up buying something for no damn reason. So let's hopefully I make it in and out of here without spending any money.
สี่ลำนี้หรือว่าสี่ทีมนี้เราพี่น้องเขาศูนย์คุ้นคั่วแนวของผู้เนาะหรือว่าท่าเรืออาพี่มาบางเวียงเนาะโตโน่เนาะพารวยเนาะสี่ลำเรือนี่ยังเป็นห้องชนะเลิศบัดทั้งสี่ลำเนาะพี่น้องเนาะนาทีที่ระทึกใจแข่งขันลงมานี่ถ้าผู้ใดชนะได้ไปรอท่าชิงชนะเลิศถ้าผู้ใดผู้ชนะได้ไปรอท่าชิง3 กับ 4เนาะพี่น้องเขาคู่ต่อไปนี่เพิ่นอาจสิปล่อยศูนย์ค้นคั่วแนวข้าวปลูกหรือว่าท่าเรือหรือว่าเพิ่นสิปล่อยอภิมาบางเวียงหรือโตโน่พารวยแต่ยังประดันโฮทั้งขณะที่เนาะทั้งท่านกาอยู่ที่กำลัง
Alright, so made it down here to the Mekong River. They just finished one race, but all along the bank is pretty packed. It's a pretty good spot where I'm at right now to see the races. So I'll probably hang out right here and just show you guys what's going on. We got a green team and a yellow team. As you can see, we got loud television up here as well. The boat races are a big deal. This is the first one they've done after COVID. So there's a lot of people out today. But this is day 1 of 2 days of boat racing, dragon boat racing.
จากฟันไผ่ก็อยากได้เลขหนึ่งดังนั้นจึงตกลงกันว่าได้จริงได้มีการแข่งขันเกิดขึ้นพี่น้องออกมาแล้วพี่น้องออกมาแล้วขันหงออกมาแล้วขันหงออกมาแล้วขันหงยับเข้าหน่อยนึงเดี๋ยวพี่น้องได้เพราะว่าพี่ที่ก่อนคนนึงเตี้ยบ่เห็นเห็นแล้วบ่ได้เห็นแล้วจึ๊งแล้วขันหงจึ๊งได้แล้วเนี่ยจากว่าจากไหนคือตัวข้า
Alright, here they come.
ตีกันออกมาปีกันมาปากันมาจากไหนพี่น้องต่างไฟต่างบ่ยอมต่างไฟต่างบ่ยอมมองกันมาได้ไปกันบ่ออกบอกกันบ่ถึงพี่น้องเลยว่าเข้าไปนายหัวนายไทยฟังกันปักเข้ามาปีหนีได้บ่หนีได้ไปว่าจากไหนจัดเข้ามาหนีบ่ได้ไปบอกบ่ถึงปีเอาไปเป็นไผศูนย์กดกว่าแนวเก่ามาว่าสักสิบนาว่าสักสิบจากพี่น้องบ้านท่าดอกคำเมืองไทยนครหลวงจันทร์นี่ส่วนของพ่อว่าจะได้พบกับพี่น้องบ้านท่าเรือลงดีแห้งเรื่องเสียงเรียนสถานการณ์ตรงนี้ว่าจะได้ศูนย์กดกว่าว่าจะได้ศูนย์กดกว่าว่าจะได้ลงดีแห้งเรื่องจะมีสถานการณ์ตรงนี้บังแดงก็ว่ากันไปติดตามอาจารย์บรรดาเบาติดตามผู้นี้ก็เป็นธรรมดาได้สิ่ง2เสียสิ่ง3ที่อาจารย์แถวว่ากันไปโลที่3โลที่4ปี้เข้ามานายหัวนายท้ายปักเข้าไปหนีได้บ่หนีกันมาธรรมดาดาวการเฮลองเห็นเนาะพี่น้องเขาอาจารย์ขอเวลาทั้ง2ลำนี้ขึ้นเรือ สู่จุดปล่อยเลยเนาะระหว่างจุดคนขั้วกับท่าเรือ
So they just announced the winner of that race right there between the green and the yellow, and looks like all these people down here supporting, I don't know which team won, but from this angle, but they're supporting whichever team won, because now look at them, they partying. Oh, let me go record them. Oh, never mind. Looks like we got 2 more boats down there ready to go. Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today is day 2 of boat racing. Yesterday, I guess it was like elimination rounds, and today is whoever won yesterday come and race today. And they're doing the bigger races apparently. I mean, the bigger boats with like 40 to 50 people on one single boat, rowing to be the best. But today is super sunny. I got my umbrella to block the sun, just like the locals, you know. But just shortly here, I'll be up where all the people are watching the boat races. So I'll check in with you guys in a second. Wow, guys, a lot more people on this second day of boat racing. Way more people than yesterday. Way more people than yesterday. Let me see. Look at this. Way more people than yesterday. I want to try to come down and see the championship race, but I'm not sure what time the championship race is at. Like this TV right there, that wasn't here yesterday. Look at all the people watching. Last day of the boat races today. Over there, the white tent, all high-ranking government officials coming watching the race. Damn, look at all these people. Damn. Yesterday I was standing over here, but today I don't know where I'm gonna stand today. A lot of people.
เอาเซ็นเตอร์กรรมการตัดสิน
Alright guys, so the race that we just saw right now was actually the semi-final race. Now the next race is actually the championship race to see who is the champion. So luckily I came down here in the perfect time because it is super hot and I didn't want to come down here too early, but I came down at the right time to see the last races. So championship race is coming up pretty soon. It is packed here. Everybody's out here. Everybody's starting to come down to the bank now. So this definitely must be the last race of the day, last championship race of the day. But I'll record that once they get going. Wow, that green team just smoked that blue team, guys. Like, blew them out the water. Wow, they were freaking... They must have turbo on something or hit the NOS button or something, but they was out. They were gone. They blew them out the water. But yeah, that must be the last race because everybody's taking off now. But I'm assuming there must be an award ceremony later, so I'll stick around for that. Show you guys what's going on with that. Okay, so I lied. That was the last race, was not the final race. The final race just happened just now. So sorry about that. I had the wrong information. This is definitely the final race because look, everybody's leaving now. So I was able to record the final race on my Instagram. You guys can check it out on my Instagram at Thirsty for Adventure. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. But even then, I didn't really have a good viewpoint. But I'll post it up on my Instagram anyways. You guys can check that out. Okay guys, I think this one is the final championship race because there was a long break in between the races and they had like an intermission, so I'm assuming this is the final race. And from what I heard, they end at 4, but they're behind schedule right now because it's 4:15. So this must have to be the last race. Here we go, I think this is the final race. I hope it is because I'm tired of standing in the sun, but here they come. So it looks like the green team won that one right at the last second there. That was a pretty close race. That was actually the women's race right there. So I'm assuming there might be a men's, I think. But that was women's right there that just raced. And the green team just won. Alright, so yeah, that was the last final race. I missed the men's championship race. I got it on my Instagram. So like I said earlier, I didn't get a good vantage point on that because I thought the races were over, but I was able to get the last women's championship race right just now, which you guys just saw. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys can see a little bit of the men's championship race. I wish I got closer. I'm a little disappointed about that. I wish I got a little bit closer so you guys can see how close that race was. I was a little bit far away, standing up there, right behind me. So I got that. That's how I saw that. I saw it from back there. But the women's race was pretty close too. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna stick around for this award ceremony because I've been standing out here for like 2 or 3 hours and it's hot and I need something to drink, need something to eat. But stay tuned. I leave Vientiane, head down to Savannah Gate after this, and continue on with my journey. Thank you everybody for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I appreciate all you guys watching. See you guys.